Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Exness trading application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Then you can tap on the search button and then type in Exness to begin your search. Once you find the Exness Trade application, just tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on this button to begin the download and installation of the Exness Trade application. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and once it is done, you will see the open button which you can tap on to open up the app. And now you can start creating your new account or log into your existing one to start using the Exness Trading app on your device right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Exness Trading app on your device. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.